So today I am going to be showing you how I achieved my water look from my Elemental series. I didn't actually film the other looks, but this one seemed to be everyone's favourite, so I'm glad I filmed this. Okay, so firstly I'm going in with Australis's Clique Primer in Miss Ivy, and it gets rid of all of that red blotchiness from my face. Next, I'm taking my RCMA Australian palette and I'm applying that. Now I'm taking Kat Von D's Locket foundation in the lightest shade. I can't remember the number exactly, but I'll leave details in the description. I'm then taking it and putting it all around my eyes, my nose, my chin, my jawline, just to make those areas more highlighted and light. And you can see the difference that these products actually make to my skin, considering you saw me at the start of the video without anything on. Now I'm taking Huda Beauty's Electric Obsessions and using the blue colour. And that is what I'm using to contour my face with. So now I'm taking a wig cap and pulling it down over my face. I'm taking more of that Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette and dabbing that on my forehead, my cheeks, wherever I want for those scales to just pop. I also go in with purples and pinks from that same palette. I find that it works really nicely, and also building up the colour on my face makes everything pop in the end once I take the wig cap off. So I just keep building all that colour. I'm then dabbing on some of the shimmers from that same palette, as well as some of them from the Alchemist Palette by Kat Von D. Okay, so I've blended it out a bit with my brush, and now I'm dabbing on some of that Alchemist Palette in Sapphire and Amethyst. Now to prime my eyes, I'm actually using Australis's Eye Primer for this, and you really want to make sure you rub it in well. Now I'm taking that Alchemist Palette again, and I'm dabbing on some Sapphire over my eyelids. Now I'm taking Ministry from the Saint and Sinner palette by Kat Von D, and I am applying it to the outer corners of my eyes and really building up that colour. I also like to carve out my eyes more by using a smaller brush and going around the outside of it. Now I'm taking Exorcism from the Saint and Sinner palette and applying that just above where the blue is, just to give it a bit of extra colour. I'm now taking a fluffy brush and blending that out. Okay, so now I'm doing underneath my eyes with Ministry from the Kat Von D palette, grabbing a little bit of the Huda Beauty shimmer and placing that over my centers of my lids. Then taking Sapphire again from the Kat Von D palette, Alchemist palette, and putting that in the corner of my lids. Taking a bit of Amethyst from that palette on my nose, on my cheekbones. I use liquid latex to apply my pearls. Use a clear liquid latex because if you use one that's not clear, you're going to have fleshy looking tones through your skin. Through the design. Okay, so I took some hair gel, and this is the glitter from Glitter Girl. It is called Ariels Tears, which is very fitting for this look. And I just apply that under my eyes and build it up as much as I want, because you can never have too much glitter, am I right? Okay, so now I'm going in on my forehead and applying more of the glitter. going in with the Australis Cray-for-colour eyeshadow stick. And I'm covering my lips with this. But I didn't like it on my lips. It was very, very drying. I know eyeshadows aren't supposed to be on your lips, but very, very drying. So I went over it with the Kat Von D Everlasting Lipstick in Ayesha. I've added some Amethyst from the Alchemist Palette over my lips. Lined my eyes with the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. I put my lashes on off screen and now I'm just taking my hair out of those tissues. This is the final look. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it because this is my first video